Do you ever have this issue? Too many devices, not enough power points. The list goes on. We've got salt lamps, baby monitors, night lights, under cabinet lights, phone chargers. I can't keep up. I'm going to put another power point on the wall here. I'll replace that USB point there with the power point, and then I'll put that USB point up above that new power point. My wife just returned from the shops. She picked a power point up for us. Got a short piece of cable to join between one socket and the other, and a few tools. So we'll get started. We'll pull the cover off. We'll take a look. I had the same problem on my side of the bed. Too many items, not enough power points. So I added that one at the top there. It's got the C-type charger and the USB point. So I'm better off now. I can just plug my phone in next to the bed. Take that cover plate off the USB. And then the fixing screw. Got the active, the neutral, and the earth. 240 volts, 50 hertz. We'll isolate that supply before we connect into it. For now, I'll go ahead and cut the hole at the top. Here's my wall clip. Use that to fasten the power point to the wall. Cut the hole. Those little hooks go into the chip rock, and then you just screw to that. Made a little mark there where I want the bottom of that plate to be. Just line that up like that, and put a mark on the corners there, and you can cut that out. Once that's cut out, that clip will slide straight in and give you access to those mounting holes. Grab my piece of cable now. Get my linesman's pliers. These have got the bypass shear on them, nice and sharp. Just make a little score in the cable. Don't go through it. Don't go through that insulation at all. Just make a little score. And you cut up the center of the cable. One of those lines there, in between the cores. You tear that back to the line, and then it will just pull straight off. Do the same to the other side. It's nice and neat. Just strip off those inner cores now, twist it up and double it over. Be careful when you're stripping these off, you don't go into the copper. You only want to grab that sheath and take it off. Give the cable a little half twist there, pull it down a couple of times really gently, and it should slide straight off. Gone and got my volt stick, switch that on. We've got the 240 present. We'll go and turn that off now. We'll come back, finish it off. The circuit's off. Can remove that tester. Undo that connection. Just to make sure, we'll touch that positive to the earth. Nothing there, so that's always good. I'll strip those off and twist them onto the other cable. They're ready to go in the terminal now. Let's trim them down nice and short. Got the active there. Screw that in. Make sure there's no PVC under that screw and no copper showing past that join there. I'll put the earth in while we're here. Wants to go in by the look of it. Tighten them down. Make sure they're nice and firm. The loose joint will get hot. Everything's always nice and firm. The copper will crush down, so it takes a little bit to crush the copper. Nip it up a few times. When there's no movement, you're good to go. I've just pulled that USB point through to the top hole, so it's easy to plug devices in. Fish that power point out the bottom hole. And I'll fix them to the wall. just fix them on loose for now. I'll go and grab the spirit level, make sure everything's sweet. We'll nip them up nice and tight. Just put the level on there, make sure everything lines up. Nip up nice and tight. Put those cover plates back on. Got the power back on. So that's finished off. Plug all those devices back in after I've cleaned up the mess. We're all done. I'll plug everything back in now. Those baby monitors and the lights. Here's the touch lamp. One monitor. We've got the other monitor there. And of course the new Christmas present, salt lamp. Of course I had to put a power point in just for a salt lamp, didn't I? Oh well, the things we do. There we go. Perfect. Everyone's happy, especially Mum. Everything will start charging now without the use of a power board. No doubt I'll be putting another one in another couple of months. But anyway, that's another story. The last thing to plug in is that USB. Charge up the phone. Pretty cheap on eBay, those sockets. About 20, 25 bucks or something. All nice and tidy now, everything's put away. Tucked in the back there, you can easily reach those USBs. That's a good result. Also got those LEDs around the bottom of the dressers. It's a nice mood setter for the evening. I'll show you how I did them in a later episode. Just got to set the clock, lost the power there. Be sure to check out my other channel, Organic Power. See where the power is produced to make this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Take it easy and have a good one.